Okay. Today, we're going to be taking apart this tablet. Let's just get started, because I've never taken this thing apart. I have just looked at YouTube videos on how to. Always remove all SIM cards and SD cards beforehand. And in this case, the stylus. All I know is that it comes off this way. I don't know how. So it's popping off. This is not a tutorial, this is me doing this for fun. I should have looked up a guide for this beforehand. Once again, I am not a professional. There we go. Now, the back is off. There's some antenna pads here and here and here. And that gets it out. Now, like some unplug battery. And this ribbon cable going down to the charge port and some other stuff. The battery probably is not going to come out because it is glued in, and I don't want to risk taking that out. The charge port is covered by some tape. This is also the screen ribbon, apparently. the vibration motor is there. This does not have any visible screws, but I cannot seem to get it out. We'll come back to that. Go to the logic board. Here's the camera. It seems to also be glued in place. And what is that? The front-facing camera is also glued in place. So let's unscrew the logic board. Now, oh, there are a few more screws. Some reinforcements on the USB Type A port. It should come off. Guess not. Is everything glued in place? There we go. Here is the logic board, CPU, there, the camera, the other camera, headphone jack, that's a feature nowadays, screen, charge port, and vibration motor and speaker cable. Again, I am not taking the battery out because I don't trust myself with that. There's the speaker. There's the vibration motor. Let's see if I can safely get this speaker pad out without breaking it. It is glued in place. Okay. That is also glued in place, but I do not think I'll be able to get that. Maybe. Okay, I can. Now, the charge port ribbon is also glued in. And there we go. Oh, there's something holding it in, a little piece of glue. And there is that ribbon cable. There's the connection for the screen. The screen is underneath there. I'm not taking the screen off because it's a piece of glass glued to plastic. I'm also not taking the battery out because if I damage that, it can explode. So, now, time for reassembly because I still use this tablet. This is not my main tablet, it is a spare. The glue should all still be there, so I'm just going to press everything down. Should be good enough. That should go like that. The screws going in. Screen cable is pressed firmly into place. Vibration motor. Place that back in and push it down. Speaker, which holds the vibration motor in its place, is clipped down. And we can put this little piece of tape back. That is to keep these pins from shorting out on anything in here. Then this, pull these cables out of the way and get them through the board. There we go. So that can just set back where it came from. Making sure all the buttons go back in the right place. Clip these back down. And all of the screws. Also, I'm trying to keep my head out of shot, but I have no idea if it is or not, because I cannot see what the camera is recording, because I'm just using my phone. Because I can't afford a real camera. Also, I can't edit videos. And now, battery plugs back in. Then this little case clips back in. Then we can put the SIM card and SD card back in. And finally, the stylus. and done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And that's it. Bye. And after a quick charge, still works.